Hi, everyone. My name is Emily Kinzer, and I am from Monona, Wisconsin, and my current role is as a curriculum coordinator for the Monona Grove School District. Before that, I worked for 10 plus years in the Madison Metropolitan School District in various roles, including ESL teacher, um, eighth grade teacher, sixth grade math, reading, history, and then as the behavior coach of two different middle schools. Um, I'm also a mother of two kids. I've got a 4-year-old and a 6-year-old, and I've got a husband, a dog, and two cats. Um, and I'm really excited to be part of this course. I'm very interested in learning more about conflict management and conflict resolution and thinking about the ways that modeling positive communication patterns um, can kind of help staff with the inevitable conflict that arises when we've got shared interests and different perceptions. And um, education is really complex, and people are often stressed, and they're working really hard, and people are passionate about what they're doing. So I think um, good conflict resolution skills are really important for a building leader. I look forward to getting to know everyone better in this course.